We interrupt programming at the request of the National Weather Service to activate the North Texas Emergency Alert System. The National Weather Service is issuing a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Wise and southeastern Jack counties until 6:15. Severe thunderstorm located near Runaway Bay and Vineyard, about 11 miles southwest of Bridgeport, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. This storm may contain golf ball sized hail and 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Golf ball hail and 70 mile per hour wind gusts. Once again, a severe thunderstorm warning for Wise and Jack counties until 6:15. The severe thunderstorm located near Runaway Bay, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. The storm may contain golf ball hail and 70 mile per hour wind gusts. All North Texas stations affected by this alert are requested to relay the preceding message.